Attention clean energy enthusiasts. Solar power is making waves in the energy sector. Over the past decade, we've seen a dramatic drop in solar installation costs. Residential system prices have plummeted by over 40%, with the average home installation now costing around $25,000, down from $40,000 in 2010. Even more impressive, utility-scale solar prices have reached an all-time low, ranging from $16 to $35 per megawatt-hour. But here's the real kicker: by 2035, solar could potentially provide a whopping 40% of U.S. electricity. This solar revolution is not just changing how we power our homes and businesses, it's reshaping the entire energy landscape. With falling prices and increasing efficiency, solar energy is proving to be a bright spot in our sustainable future. Don't miss out on this clean energy boom.